Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can change your Steam store country, especially if you have moved to a new region or want to update your store location for purchases. Let's get right into it. So the first method you can try is use a VPN. This sets your IP to a different country, but you have to know that Steam strictly monitors VPN usage to avoid region switching abuses. Only use this method if you have genuinely moved to a new country and plan to use the valid local payment method. After that, the next step is to go ahead and simply open a browser, and then in the search bar search for store.steampower.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile name and then tap on account details. Now you're gonna make sure you're on the account detail page, scroll down, then tap on update store country, and a pop-up will appear explaining that if you have moved to a new country, you can update your Steam store location. But here's the key. Steam will only allow the country change once you have made a purchase using a valid payment method from that new country. So after you have made a Steam purchase with the payment method based on your new country, come back to this page and then you'll be able to successfully update your Steam store country. And that's it. That is how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.